But in addition to finances, we like to get into areas that we know will help them to be more alert and literate, quantitatively literate as citizens. And an area that I probably ought to mention is statistics and probability. The type of statistics and probability we touch on would be, how can we help students better understand the world around them in the sense of statistical studies that come at them in a very rapid way through the media, newspapers and internet, watching just the TV news. You are constantly bombarded with statistical studies. So we try to give them an experience of what it all means in terms of the placebo effect, in terms of sampling issues, the broad perspective that would help them to be a little more on top of their game, you might say, with all of those health issues out there. How do we take care of our own bodies, and what kind of studies are out there to help us to address that? Probability we touch on as well, and in a variety of ways. We like to show in particular how you can better understand the mathematics of gambling and how that'll help you to be a better citizen when it comes your opportunity to make a crucial vote, and some of the difficult issues oriented around gambling that are in our society that are tragic. And so we get to investigate the mathematics there. We look at probability in the sense of what does it mean in terms of a warranty extension, or in terms of making some decisions that you can quantify in a probability aspect. We also like to stress how problem solving and critical thinking and logic are part of our lives, and the better we understand that, the less we miss out on. If we aren't careful, we can stumble onto some decisions that make decisions that just aren't sensible. And so we stress the problem-solving aspect. And finally, the other thing that is important in Math 108 would be the skills that will help them to be successful in their collegiate coursework, being better adept at handling percentages, unit conversions for their sciences, and their algebraic and arithmetic skills that are at a level that we know with work they can develop some confidence and be better prepared for future coursework.